Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the HLOOKUP function. Now, we already did the VLOOKUP function another video. Basically, it's the same thing, just that the columns are vertical versus horizontal, right? Now, the H one, as you can see, it's different from this one. These columns are vertical, but this column here is horizontal, right? So, horizontal lookup. Okay, so the formula goes like this. It's equals to HLOOKUP. So HLOOKUP, so we're just going to put that. And there's four things that needs to go in there. The first thing is a lookup value. So what is our interest? So let's say if I want to know how much money did Zozo donate. So Zozo is our interest, right? We want to look up the name Zozo. Now we can either put the name Zozo or we can put the reference grid where Zozo's name is. In this case, it's easier to just put E11 because that's where Zozo's name is. So to get the name, that's where the name is. I find that very easier. Table array. Table array is where all your data is coming from. So this whole data table over here is your array. So everything here. Right, perfect. Row index number, it's the column, in this case, it's the row that we're looking for, the number of the row we're looking for. Now, we're looking for the donation. Now, name is the first row, gender is the second row, donation is the third row. So we'll put number 3 over here. And then the range lookup is the easiest. You put false or normally, right? Basically, you either put false or true. False will give the exact value, true will give an approximate value of whatever it's looking up. We want to say false because we need the exact value. Enter. I'm going to get 45. Zozo gave 45. See? If you want to know the Zozo's gender, so where we said the number of the row, instead of 3, we put 2 because gender is row 2. And then enter gives it female. So you see, so this is the HLOOKUP function. It's super easy. So I did the VLOOKUP, I did the HLOOKUP. That's the lookup functions. Also, just to make note, right? If I want to find the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function, instead of writing it down, I just have to go to formulas, lookup and reference, and HLOOKUP is over here, as you can see, and then VLOOKUP will be over here. So in case they ask you that, that's an easy way to go through it, right? Instead of writing the whole formula out.